Good morning children. Welcome you all in our math session. Our division chapter is going on and previous session we have learned properties of division. Let's revise. Property of division. First one, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Okay. Now, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Then, third one, when 0 is divided by any number, quotient is always 0. Yes children, these are the properties of division. Okay, and today we are going to learn dividing 2-digit number by a 1-digit number without remainder and with remainder. Yes. Let's see with the example. We have to divide 35 divided by 7. Okay. We have to find out the quotient here. First, write this dividend here. Then divisor. Children, you know 35 is the dividend, 7 is a divisor. Okay. Now you have to speak 7th table. Yes. You can write in small handwriting this table. Okay. 7th table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 8 is 70. Okay. Now, see here is a number 35 and here 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. Yes children? So, 7 5 is means you have to write this 5 upside. Okay. Here is a quotient. Yes. 7 5 is 35. You have to write this 35 below this 35. Okay. Then in division you have to do subtraction, and children, you know division is a repeated subtraction. Yes. So 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 3 0. Okay. Now tell me children here. Thus 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Okay. Quotient is quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. Okay. Yes children, this is 2-digit number division by a 1-digit number. Its dividend will be 2-digit and divisor is 1-digit, and this is the division without remainder because remainder is 0 here. Quotient 5. Okay children, let's see one more example. Now here is one example. Okay, divide 36 by 3. Okay, first write these numbers in this format. 36 divided by 3. Okay. See, this dividend is in 2 digit and the divisor is in 1 digit. Okay children. Now we have to recite multiplication table 3. Yes. We will write this table here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Yes. Now see here children. There is no 36 in the table. Yes. Here this is long division method children. Or these two numbers are 2 digit number. Now we have to divide first. In division we have to divide tens place first. Okay. So you can take this tens place first. Here is number 3. Okay. Now is there 3 in the 3's table? Yes, of course. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so we will take these tens place number first. Okay, so we have to see this number and we have to recite the table till we get this number or we get the less number. ये जो 3 है उससे छोटा नंबर या फिर यही नंबर टेंस प्लेस वाला है. We get here 3 1s are 3. See children, 3 1s are 3 means 1 you have to write in quotient. This 3 you have to write here in tens place के नीचे. Okay, we get 3 1s are 3. Yes, equal number. Now here you have to do subtraction. Yes. Tell me 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now next step, what to do here? We have to take this 6 or next number, this ones place number down. Yes. Take this 6 down here. Now we have here 6. Now again recite the table. कब तक बोलना है? We get this number or we get a smaller number than this number. Yes, in division. First we do this tens place division. We subtract it. Then we take this ones place number. Now we have to recite the table. We get number 6 or less than the number from 6. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now you know children, 3 2s are 6. 2s are means we have to write this 2 in quotient and then 3 2s are 6 here down 6 के नीचे. Understand? Now do subtraction here. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes. Now you have to write this. Thus 36 divided by 3 is equal to, what is the quotient? 12. Okay. And you can write this quotient. What is the quotient? Yes, 12. And remainder, children, remainder. Yes, 0. Yes. And this is 2-digit number by a 1-digit number division without remainder. Because remainder is here 0. Now we will see more examples of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with remainder. Okay. Children, now these are the examples with remainder. 2 digit, with 1 digit and with remainder. Okay. See here, 53 divided by 6. If you know 6 table orally, it's okay. Otherwise, you can write here. 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. Okay. Now here 53. Okay. Can we take this 5 alone? Tens place there is number 5. Can we take this 5? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 6. And there is no number or there is no 5 in 6 table. Yes. So, we have to take these 2 digit numbers together. Okay children. Now 53. Now see the table of 6 here. And we have to find the number equal to 53 or smaller than 53. Yes. Come on. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. See children, here is 54. But 54 is greater than 53, so we cannot take this 54. Okay. So 6 8 are 48. Yes. We have to take this 48. So 6 8 are, right here 8. 6 8 are 48. Here, then we have to subtract this. Now 53 minus 48. Ones place. 3 is smaller than 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 3. Here tens place 5 is there. Give 1 tens to ones place. Sorry, here we get 13. Here remains 4. Now 13 minus 8. Come on. From 8 to 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. Now here 4 minus 4, 0. Yes. We complete. Now here is 5 and here 5 is smaller than 6, so we cannot divide here. Next. So our example is complete here. Thus 53 divided by 6 is equal to 8. But quotient is 8. And remainder, you have to write here remainder children. There is a remainder 5. Yes. And this is the example of division 2 digit number by a 1 digit with remainder. Yes children. Here we cannot write 53 divided by 6 is equal to 8 because remainder is there. So we have to write hence quotient. Yes, the quotient is 8 and remainder is 5. Okay. See one more example children. Here is 85 divided by 8. Come on. Right here 8 table. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. When you write this table, then you will learn again and again the table. Now, see here 85. First we have to take or see the tens place this tens place. Here is number 8. Can we divide this 8 from 8 tables? Yes, this is 8. It is equal to 8 ones are 8. So we can take here tens place number. Only one digit this tens place number we can take here. So say 8 ones are 8. Yes. Now 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes. Then we have to take down this 5. Now we get here 5. Now see the table of 8, and this 5 is smaller than 8. So we cannot divide this 5. So we have to stop here. Or we take this 5 here, but we have to divide. So 8 ones are 8, but 8 is larger than 5. So you have to say 8 zeros are 0. Yes, because 85 is there, children. 1's place 5 is there, and we take this 5 down. So we have to divide this. 8 zeros are 0. Then 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Then you can stop here. Yes. So here is quotient 10 and remainder 5. So you have to write here hence remainder. Sorry, first we have to write quotient. Quotient is 10 and remainder is 5. See one more time, children. We divide tens place first. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then we take this 5 here. But 5 is smaller than 8. But here 5 is a part of dividend. So we have to do this step. Yes. We have to. If it is remainder, then it's okay. But we take this 5 down from this dividend. So we have to do this step. So 8 zeros are 0, and then 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now this is the remainder. Okay. Don't stop here. Then your quotient is only 1. Yes, and it is wrong. Now see, quotient is 10. Yes, and remainder is 5. Okay. This is the example with remainder. Children, I hope you have understood the division 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. And these two examples are from exercise 5.6 question 2. Okay. Thank you.